What is up everyone, this is Rus and my son. Today we're assembling two Spider-Man sets. No way.
Wait, home.
That's right.
By the way, I've got the regular Spider-Man and the lizard here.
The Lizard, Electro, and Spider-Man?
Yes.
Wow, and look, I've got the regular Spider-Man and the friendly
Dad,
neighborhood Spider-Man.
You've got an arm from mine.
Yeah, here's the arm. Then I've got the Amazing Spider-Man, Doctor Strange, MJ, Ned, Green Goblin, Electro, and Dr. Octopus.
You don't say?
Do you know how many pieces are here? A whole 900 pieces.
By the way, Dad, this spider is from enemy in the reflection.
From that part. They've all come together from different universes, right? You have 347 pieces. We'll unpack and assemble them together, and you know what we'll do at the end?
By the way,
Do you know?
combine them?
That's right, we'll combine them.
By the way, Dad, I wanted to say that they also got this lizard and Green Goblin and this octopus.
This is that scene they
And
tried to
then
catch him, right?
these villains teamed up and wanted to destroy everything.
That's right.
And they cut this
Cool.
one too. By the way, this one.
Shall we start?
Let's
get to
unbox
unboxing.
it. Guys, here are the sets we ended up with.
Really cool set. I just realized that I have 9 minifigures.
By the way,
And
Dad,
you have 3 more.
by the way, I checked these instructions and found out you can add the functions here.
Yes, it turns out at the end of the instruction for your set, there are
Functions.
instructions on how to combine them, but that's for the end. Now I will tell you a bit about the set in general. The set is awesome with 9 minifigures. In the future, the minifigures alone might be worth more than the set itself, so it's a great investment in Lego. This set here has only 3, but I don't remember how much it costs. I think it was around $80 for 9 minifigures. That's excellent. Here we have a secret passage, teleport to the Sanctum Sanctorum, and a print. Overall, the build is cool, with head, Statue of Liberty. I've seen on YouTube how many people make a train out of the Statue of Liberty. It turns out really awesome. So here's the scene where MJ falls and one of these Spider-Man catches her. So here's the scene where Ned comes through the teleport. He was in Doctor Strange's house, in the basement, I think. Well, I think this set is great. We got 3 Spider-Man right away. The build of the electric generators was really fun. We can incorporate this into the city. Overall, as you said, Tagir also assembled a scene here. Tagir has, let me have it. Tagir has 3 minifigures.
Hey, Dad, by the way, remember when they went into the forest, they advised this one. Because of his risk and the Spider-Man, his friends, and they scared these 2 others. His grandma, this one, Nat, got scared, remember?
She got scared? Yeah, I remember, and she asked for more web to clean the ceiling.
Yeah.
So, here is the scene with the big Sandman. Unfortunately, with the Sandman inside, look, there is only his arm.
Now we'll
Sandman.
remove
Let's take
and
it out.
put it back.
Here it is. Let's show it. Here's the arm. There is nothing else from the Sandman here. So the idea was to combine these sets from the start. Here we also have this lizard, right? He's not in this scene, but Spider-Man and Electro are repeats. This Electro with these yellow transparent pieces looks more impressive. Now, let's try this. See the web? Come on.
By
Let's
the
take it
way,
away.
remember it was like this on the box.
Here's the arm. Come
So
on, let's insert it.
let's start.
Ready? Let's start pulling it out. Oh, no, with this stand. This stand.
Okay.
Moment of truth. So, it will stand on my shelf, right? What is happening? Doesn't fit? Wait, it can't be like this. Not enough. Wait, were we tricked? Let's check the instructions again. Maybe we need to remove something else? Well, friends, this is the mega set we got from combining 2 sets. These are the sets from one of my favorite Marvel movies, Spider-Man. Here we met 3 Spider-Man at once. One of them is from a childhood. So in the end, we got an awesome set that will fit perfectly on my shelf. This turned out to be a short episode. Thanks to everyone who watched till the end. Comment, like, and subscribe if you haven't already. This was Tagir.
And my dad.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.